Hello everyone and welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura and today I will be making Winter Evergreen Soap. Those are the colors I'll be using. And I'm going to be adding in the lye water. I'm going to mix that in. This fragrance smells really good. It smells just like pine. So if you like the smell of pine trees, you will really like this fragrance. I'm just going to blend this up, and I'm going to do a drop swirl, and you'll see as I make the soap how I'm going to put this together. I wanted it to look like snow-covered pine trees, and I think I got the feel of that in an abstract way. So now that I have this just mixed together, I'm going to add the fragrance in. And then once this is blended in, we'll divide it into two. So I'm going to pour off a little bit for the green. I wanted the soap to be primarily white because I wanted it to look like very heavy snowfall. And first I'm going to add the white. These little plastic cups I use are actually biodegradable. And now I'll add in the green. This is a really pretty green color. I mix it with a little bit of oil before I mix it into the soap batter to help it blend in more evenly. That green looks really pretty by itself, just mixed with the oil, but it also looks really nice in the soap. Sometimes when you add colors to soap, they change. And a lot of times they come out looking a lot more matte than when you put them in, so this green looks really pretty no matter how I use it, so I really like using this one. And then I'm going to put the white in the mold first, and then I'll use the green to do the drop swirl. This will help the green color drop down into the white below the surface, and then I'll swirl it. And then I'll put more white on top to make it look like the snow on top of the trees. This pine fragrance is very bright and fresh. It smells really good. If you like the smell of anything pine, this is an excellent soap for you. I'm just smoothing the top out, and then I'll also put a green design on top. I'm just going to drizzle it on, and then I'll use a stick to swirl it. And here's the soap up close. You see how sparkly that green is. Here we are about a day later to slice the soap. I'm just making sure it's lined up. And here's the soap. This is how it looks inside. I think it's really pretty. I like the idea behind making it look like snow-covered trees. The snow, you know, the white part is the majority of the soap because the snow would cover most of the trees. I think it's really pretty. The soap will be available on January 1st. If you'd like to pick up a bar, I will have a link to my shop down in the description. I like how shiny the tops of these are. These are the end pieces that I'll cut up for later. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel. And thank you for watching. You have a great day.